Have you ever wondered how something as clear and delicate as glass begins its life as ordinary sand? It all starts with ultrapure silica sand, the same mineral used in computer chips, mixed with soda ash and limestone to help it melt smoothly. This mixture is heated inside giant industrial furnaces reaching nearly 1,700 degrees Celsius, hotter than molten lava, until it transforms into glowing, liquid glass that moves like thick honey. To shape it, manufacturers use different techniques. For window panes, the molten glass floats on a pool of liquid tin to create a perfectly flat surface. For bottles, air is blown into fiery molds to form each piece. And for decorative or thick glass items, the molten material is rolled or pressed into shape. But the magic doesn't stop there. After shaping, the glass must travel through a long temperature-controlled tunnel called an annealing layer, where it cools slowly to prevent internal stress and cracking. Only after this controlled cooldown is the glass cut, polished, inspected, and transformed into the transparent material we rely on every day, from screens and lenses to bottles and buildings.